Hi, I'm John with Great Lakes Case and Cabinet Company, and today I'm going to talk about the CM-11 cable management ring. Constructed of 14-gauge cold-rolled American steel and finished in the same black powder coating as the standard Great Lakes rail, the CM-11 has a 3-inch by 5-inch channel depth and cable strap access along all four corners. You can install it along the Great Lakes flexible mounting profile, a series of holes which sit outside of the EIA pattern in 1 RMU increments along any Great Lakes E or ES rail. By using the plastic fasteners provided in the kit of 5, you simply snap it into place in the field. The CM-11 is fully reversible and can be installed along the front, back, left, and right rails of any Great Lakes cabinet. When all 5 are installed top to bottom, it creates a virtual cable trough. For more information, call us at 1-866-TRY-GLCC or visit us on the web at WeRackYourWorld.com. When you're talking about affordable flexibility in cable management, you've got to include the Great Lakes CM-11 cable ring. It's one of those things which makes Great Lakes great.